Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to make a quick video about some new Garmin Instinct 2X straps. So I've been kind of dogging on the Instinct 2 for its thick straps, and it was a total oversight by me because as I've kind of stated before, I like to use different color straps and change them periodically. So I have a whole box over here, and usually what I do as soon as I get any new Garmin watch, I'll quickly replace the bands, and usually I've been going to these kind of straight Phoenix type quick fit bands, and that's just what I've always done. So when I got the Instinct, I did the same. I put these on, and I wanted to use those, and I didn't realize that they taper, because when I had ordered these just regular quick fit ones, these are very thick, and I did not like them, found them uncomfortable, and it was just kind of a pain point for me. And then a viewer pointed out that the stock bands actually taper, which I never noticed. So sure enough, I got out and checked, and yeah, they taper. So I actually bought some kind of Instinct 2X specific bands, and they are awesome. So got a couple different colors here, and they do taper. They fit perfectly. The flashlight still fits. They got the perfect cutout. And as an added bonus, so they come just like in a regular white bag, you can see here, and it basically includes, actually, which is kind of nice, it includes a set of spring bars. So you have one for each one, and then it includes like a phone SIM tool, which doesn't really work too well, but I just use these that you get with other stuff. So really cool bands, fit perfectly, feels just like a stock one, and these are only like $4 or $5 on AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description of the ones I got. The only complaint I have about them is usually when I buy these aftermarket bands, I try get where the buckle is screwed in, and I find these to be of stronger quality as opposed to like these type, which are kind of spring bars. And the reason I don't like these is I've actually had these break on me twice now. Luckily it was when I was doing yard work, so my watch, one time it fell into the grass, but regardless, it was kind of scary, because if it had broken over pavement and fell down, could have been maybe damaged. So that's my only thing about I dislike, and I couldn't find one. I looked through a bunch on AliExpress to see if they would have some that had kind of a buckle system, but did not. So I've actually contemplating, just because I have a whole bunch of these, I actually thought about maybe removing it from some and doing a swap here, because they are about the same. Yeah, they're basically the same width, so maybe I'll do that. Well, I'll kind of swap these out potentially, just because it's kind of not a fan of it. But yeah, these are the colors I got. This one actually is really cool. It's like, I think it's called Tundra. It's like a really light gray, almost kind of, it's not white because you can kind of see the difference, but really like this color. It actually kind of matches the the face or the dial of the watch. So I like that one. I got an army green, because you just got to have one of these for the Instinct. This one, I don't know, I just like the neon green black combo. And then red is also one of my favorite colors for watch bands, especially for this one, because it's got a few red accents. So I think the red looks pretty good. And then this one I got because they had two reds, and I couldn't quite tell the difference which red I like. One's called red, one's like flame red. So I just got both the reds, just to be kind of, I don't know, just to make sure I got the right one. And this one's kind of more orange, so might come in handy around Halloween time, I suppose. But yeah, so that really is all there is to it. I might actually throw on the lime green here. And just to kind of walk through a quick installation, pretty simple. So put the spring bar in through here. It's just like any other watch. Takes only seconds. I mean, it's not as quick as the Quick Fit, but pretty darn quick too, because it's got, you know, drilled lugs. Makes it much easier, where without the drill lugs it would be a little harder, or time consuming I should say. Alright, it is in. And the nice thing about the Instinct ones, they're very easy because you can't screw them up, because you know that one always goes on the flashlight side. So we've got it on. It's perfect, feels great, and that is all there is to it. So, you know, I think for $4 to $5 each, I think if you buy like, I think the reason I bought 5, because if you spend like $30, you get, I think, $4 or $5 off or something. So very, very reasonable to buy these, and gives you some more flexibility. And then here, just for fun, is my Forerunner. I am still really liking the 2-watch combo. This is actually probably the first time where I've owned a Garmin that I didn't kind of just wear one the whole time. I do rotate these quite often. Basically what it's kind of come down to is, if I'm just kind of, you know, Monday through Friday type of thing, I'm at work or just, you know, sitting at my desk on a computer basically, I'll predominantly wear this one, and then this one I'll usually throw on the weekends when I'm going to be out and about and doing yard work and baseball practice and, you know, doing various things. I'll throw this one on. So great watch, and these bands just kind of add a little bit more variety to the watch. So kind of, you know, I find that I get bored of the watch if it just kind of, you know, stays the same, and so I like to change the bands out every week or two just to keep it looking or feeling new. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, let me know.